Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a magnetic tripod mount. We're going to give this thing a little try here. I'm going to show you guys what it is and all the pieces it comes with. So it comes with this, which it connects up to your tripod, obviously. And then we have this device here, which is the magnet, and then we come with a little, it looks like it comes with a sticker version. So if your phone is not magnetic already, it'll give you the ability to, or you can stick anything up onto it. But mine is, so as you see, it just hooks up like to that. So that's what it'll do. And then I'll hook it up onto this little device here, and check it out. So now when I'm doing my filming, instead of having to stick it into one of those squeezing mounts or something like that, I'll just be able to do it and snap my phone on. Oops, I dropped it. Oh no. I'll be able to just snap my phone right on there and it'll just charge. I don't have the phone in here now because I'm using it to video, but you see it's got a pretty good grip on it too, so it's a good magnet, so that's pretty nice. So there we go. So that's going to give us the ability to now connect it up magnetically. So if you watch any of my videos from here on out, that's how it's going to be. So super awesome. Pick up one of these for sure. This is it here. Thumbs up.